Hi, I'm Sue Kessler from Crown Commercial Property Management. We don't talk enough about how property management in the present can translate to higher profits for owners in the future. Here are 3 ways property management can increase your resale value. 1. Preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance measures are adjustments a management company makes to prevent future problems that cost a lot more than the adjustments themselves. This keeps your property from depreciating in value over time. We tell owners to think of maintenance from a medical perspective. You don't want your cardiologist to say, "We'll wait until you have a heart attack, and then we'll fix your heart problem." You want them to prevent it altogether. 2. Financial record keeping. Savvy real estate buyers always look into the building's maintenance history. If you've had the right property management company on the job, you'll have accurate, up-to-date documentation of all of the maintenance they've done over the years. This allows you to justify a higher asking price than if the property hadn't had any work done, or if there weren't proper records on file to verify it. 3. Fetching market rents. Excellent management also includes making sure every unit brings in the highest market rent as soon as possible. Rental properties are sold primarily based on cash flow, and if your management company isn't fetching the market rents, resale values will suffer. Day-to-day management of your property can have a lasting effect on its overall sales value. So, choose a company you can trust to sweat the small stuff. At CCPM, we take commercial personally.
For more information, call 323-402-6607 or visit ccpm.net today.